Good morning, guys, or good afternoon, or good evening, whenever you're watching me, I guess, eh? Anyway, it's morning for me. So hopefully you guys had a good Christmas, a safe New Year. Hopefully you're all still with me out there. Nothing went wrong. That's good. So, what did we do here? Well, Sean and I worked New Year's Eve and New Year's Day because what else do you do? I mean, you go party New Year's Eve night. Still got the whole day to do something, so why not work? So, here's what we're working on. The old Swiss cheese cab. There's so many of these Swiss cheese cabs. I think this is number 3. But it came in, if you remember somebody, you can see they've cut all the long floor braces off, which you can see I've put it on that side. And they had the cab supports off, or mounts, whatever you want to call them. Actually, there's your mount hole right there. That one, your mount hole's there. So you can see I've just got that one mocked up in place. I've ran a bolt through it to hold it in place. Put the jaws of life on there to hold it. And I've already started the back one. I've started, got to finish it off. And then, of course, then your floor brace goes on after. So I finished off the driver's side there. So that's all done. So that's what I've been working on there. The if you remember, Peter's, give you a little update here. Peter's four-wheel drive. The top is all painted. Jared did a great job on that. I don't know if you can tell much from the primer, but the top is white. So that's what he's going for there. And then we're going to go the blue on the bottom. So this truck is going to be painted within the next, probably within the next week to 2 weeks, painted on the outside. And then we're going to get to assembling this thing and just get her done. Get her done. It's a big truck. We've got to get on her and get her finished up. Now Sean, he was working away on the 71 VW van. So let's go take a look at that old beast. See what's going on here. So, where are we? Oh, there we go. Let's get some lights on. So it's a pretty, there's no rust in this thing, but you can see by looking at the rear quarter here, it's you know, it's got some dents and objects going on here and there, definitely, that's for sure. He's working on the front of it. If you pay attention, you look at my Instagram, you're seeing we're posting stuff over the holidays. So he's been working away on the side. Now this van is not, I mean, you can see it's completely gutted. It's completely stripped down, but the owner's not building it like an absolute show vehicle. If anyone knows these vans, these VWs, if you look at them, they all, from factory, are far from straight. None of them are straight. They all got the little ripples and waves in them. They just do. It's a big, long panel, right? That's a long fucking panel. They were not a straight vehicle. So he's not getting us to block it and make it like absolutely gorgeous straight where you'd paint it shiny black. But he is getting us just to clean it up, tidy it up, make it look nice. It's going to go a white top and it's going to go like a medium blue on the bottom. From the body line that you see right there, down will be the blue. So, and then all the inside's white. So that is what's been going on here at the shop. So we're hoping, I'm hoping, you guys actually got something done over your holidays there. Maybe you didn't. Maybe you spent it with family like you should. But I'm sure that you car guys out there watching, we're out in the shop working on something. How do you not, right? Like I told you, the trick is that you got to stay in and spend it with family. But when they buy you something for the shop, you just say, well, I'm going to go take this out to the shop just to get it out of the house, out of the way. And then you just, you disappear out there and... You do something, and then you say, oh shit, I was so excited I didn't realize what I was doing. I lost track of time. So that's what goes on. So that's what's going on here today. I don't see much else happening anyway. So we'll get back in the office here where the heat is. Okay, the charger, the 70 charger, it's sitting out there under cover. The gentleman dropped off all the brake lines and gas line kits. So Chris is going to be on that today. Everyone is back in today working here on Wednesday. So Chris is going to be on that today doing that. And that's it. That's what's going on. So hey, again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to all of you. That's it. It's over. It's done. Let's roll on. Let's get these cars ready for the spring. Okay guys, always good time at old time. Thank you for watching. Big thumbs up to all of you.